In this video, we will talk about new ways to make salads in a healthy, useful, and delicious way, and the ingredients are all in the description box, so follow us to the next to see the recipes. There are many recipes for more ideas. I collected the best book for recipes about delicious salads. Link to buy this book in the description box. Book name: The Complete Salad Cookbook, a fresh guide to 200+ vibrant dishes using greens, vegetables, grains, proteins, and more. The Complete ATK Cookbook Series. To find out a brief summary of this book, we will explain it as follows. Over 230 salad recipes, ingredient information, and tips make this the only cookbook you'll ever need to make innovative, stunning, and satisfying salads. The first recipe with us: chicken salad with lettuce. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon mustard, 2/3 cup olive oil, kosher salt and black pepper, 1 lettuce chopped, 300 gram cooked chicken, diced, 1 avocado, thinly sliced, 120 gram crumbled blue cheese, 140 gram cherry tomatoes halved, 2 tablespoons chopped garlic. The components are in the description box. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. In a bowl, shake together vinegar, mustard, and oil and season with salt and pepper. 2. On a large bowl, spread out lettuce, and then add chicken, avocado, blue cheese, and cherry tomatoes. 3. Season with salt and pepper, drizzle with dressing and garnish with garlic. Broccoli salad. Ingredients: for the salad: 3 pieces of broccoli, chopped, ½ cup shredded cheddar, 1/4 red onion chopped, 1/4 cup toasted sliced almonds, 2 tablespoons chopped garlic, kosher salt. For the dressing: 2/3 cup mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons apple vinegar, 1 tablespoon mustard, kosher salt and black pepper. The components are in the description box, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to receive all new recipe. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. We put a pan of water and salt to boil. 2. We get a large bowl of cold water. 3. We put broccoli in boiling water for 2 minutes. Then it is lifted with a spoon to cold water to cool down, and then we drain it. 4. We get a bowl in which we mix the ingredients for the marinade. 5. Mix all salad ingredients in a bowl and pour the marinade over it and put it in the refrigerator until ready to serve. Chickpeas salad. Ingredients: for chickpeas: 2 cans chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1/3 cup hot sauce, 2 tablespoons melted butter, kosher salt and black pepper. For dressing: 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup buttermilk, ½ a teaspoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons chopped dill, 2 tablespoons chopped garlic. For salad: 8 cup cut lettuce, 2 cup shredded cabbage, 2 stalks celery, thinly sliced, 2 carrots, peeled sliced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, chopped, 1 avocado, sliced, ½ red onion, chopped, 3/4 cup blue cheese. The components are in the description box. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees, then prepare a plate greased with oil and roast the chickpeas until they become crunchy for 20 minutes in the oven. 2. Take the chickpeas out of the oven and immediately stir with the hot sauce mixture seasoned with salt and pepper to taste. 3. In a medium bowl, whisk together mayonnaise, sour cream, yogurt, parsley, garlic, and dill. 4. In a large bowl, mix the lettuce and cabbage with ½ a cup of the sauce. Cover with celery, carrots, tomatoes, avocado and red onions. Cover with chickpeas, sprinkle with the dressing, and garnish with blue cheese and more chopped garlic. Cauliflower Salad. Ingredients: 1 large cauliflower, cut into florets. Half cup sour cream. 1/4 cup mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Half a teaspoon garlic powder. Kosher salt and black pepper. 1 cup shredded cheddar. 1/4 cup chopped garlic. The components are in the description box, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to receive all new. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. Bring a large pot of boiling water, add the cauliflower, and cook it on the steamed for 4 minutes, then halfway. 2. In a large bowl, mix sour cream, mayonnaise, lemon juice, and garlic powder. Add the cauliflower and stir gently. Season with salt and pepper, and then add cheese and garlic. Corn and basil salad. Ingredients: 4 cup frozen corn. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1/3 cup feta. 1/4 red onion, chopped. 1/4 basil, thinly sliced. 3 tablespoons olive oil. Juice of 1 lime. Kosher salt and black pepper. The components are in the description box. Let's prepare the recipe. Mix all ingredients together in a large bowl. Potato salad. Ingredients: 3 large boiled potatoes, diced. Half cup mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. 1/4 cup diced carrots. Dried parsley for garnish. Salt, black pepper and cumin. The components are in the description box, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to receive all new recipe. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. In a large saucepan, cover the potatoes and carrots with water and season with salt for 15 to 20 minutes. Drain and allow cooling slightly before transferring to a large serving bowl. 2. In a medium bowl, add mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, garlic, salt, black pepper and cumin, then add to the potatoes and carrots and decorate with parsley. Shrimp salad. Ingredients: for salad: 300 gram shrimp, peeled. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Kosher salt and black pepper. 1 red onion chopped. 1 stalk celery, chopped. 2 tablespoons chopped dill. Toasted tortilla. For dressing: half cup mayonnaise. 1 cup lemon juice. 1 teaspoon mustard. Let's prepare the recipe. 1. In a medium saucepan, add the shrimp with oil, garlic, lemon juice. Season with salt, pepper for 5 to 7 minutes until soft. 2. In a large bowl, mix mayonnaise and lemon juice with the mustard and season with salt and pepper. Add shrimp, red onion, celery, and dill to a bowl and stir until combined. Serve with the tortilla. We will be finished today, and the next video, we will talk about recipes for gaining muscle. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, press button at the bell to reach you all new